So I was cruising on Pinterest and I saw salad mason jars and they look so cool. So I wanted to share with you guys. So that's what we're making today, okay? We're gonna make some salads in a mason jar. I have a plethora of salad toppings and salad ingredients, and we're gonna make 3 different salads. We're also gonna make the salad dressings to make it fun. Yes, I said fun. So the first salad we're gonna make is a Greek salad. And for that dressing, in a small mason jar, you're gonna add in some olive oil, minced garlic, some red wine vinegar. You're gonna squeeze in some lemon juice, add a little bit of oregano, salt and pepper, and then we're gonna add just a little bit of Dijon mustard. And that's it. You wanna pop a lid on and you're gonna give it a good shaking. You want that oil and everything to emulsify together, so shake it well. And there you have your Greek dressing. Now to build the Greek salad in the mason jar, you're gonna start out with your Greek dressing. And you're gonna add in those tomatoes. They're gonna marinate in that dressing. Go ahead and add in some cucumber. Now if you have Kalamata olives, add those in. I didn't, so I just added in some black olives. Some red onion. And some feta cheese, which is one of my favorites. And then we're gonna throw in some chickpeas, some rotisserie chicken. Get you a rotisserie chicken and just cut it up. It's perfect for these salads. And then we're gonna top everything off with some lettuce. I have a mixture of romaine lettuce and iceberg lettuce. I don't really like any other lettuce, okay? And we're gonna pack it in there, and there you have your Greek salad. Doesn't it look so cute? You just pop this in the fridge, take it to work. When you're ready to eat it, you just flip it upside down, and you let all of that dressing cascade over all of the ingredients in the mason jar. And when you're ready to eat it, you just shake it out in your bowl, and everything kind of falls perfectly. There's dressing already all over the lettuce. Perfect, you guys. This is a really, really good idea. I've been seeing this and wanted to try it. I'm like, oh, it's kind of perfect. But there's your Greek salad. So the next salad we're gonna make is a southwestern chicken salad. And for that, we're gonna make a cilantro lime dressing. Now to my food processor, I'm adding in some olive oil, some cilantro. I'm gonna add in some white vinegar, a little bit of honey, and then I'm gonna squeeze in some fresh lime juice. I'm gonna throw in some minced garlic and salt, and then we're gonna let this go. Now, if this is a little too thick, you can thin it out with just adding a little bit of water till it's the consistency you like. Our cilantro lime dressing, the honey gives it a faint sweetness. The lime gives it that tartness. It's really, really good, you guys, if you like cilantro. Now for the salad, we're gonna go ahead and pour in our dressing at the bottom. We're gonna add in our tomatoes so they can marinate in it. And then we're gonna throw in some avocado. We're gonna top that avocado with some black beans and corn. After that, I'm gonna add in some jalapenos, some pickled jalapenos. I'm gonna sprinkle in some green onions. Add in some cotija cheese. And then we're gonna add in some of our rotisserie chicken. And then we're gonna top that off with our lettuce. And there we have our southwestern chicken salad. You can stick it in the fridge, take it to work. Whenever you're ready to eat it, just give it a flip and let that dressing get all over everything in the mason jar. When you're ready to eat it, just give it a good shakety shake in a bowl, and there you have your salad. Now the last salad we're gonna make is a Italian salad. And for the dressing, we're gonna make a Parmesan Italian dressing. In my food processor, I'm adding in some olive oil, some minced garlic, some white wine vinegar. I'm also gonna add in some dry Italian herb seasoning, a little bit of lemon juice and honey. We're gonna add in some salt and pepper. And then lastly, I'm gonna add in some Parmesan cheese. Now, if you have fresh Parmesan cheese, please use that. I didn't, so I just added in the powdered stuff. This is kind of like a Olive Garden copycat dressing, so that's kind of what it tastes like. And there you have your Italian Parmesan dressing. You can leave the Parmesan cheese out if you like. Now for the salad, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my dressing at the bottom of the jar. Add in my tomatoes to marinate. I'm gonna throw in some red onion, some pepperoncini peppers. I'm gonna add in some mozzarella cheese. On top of that, I'm gonna throw in some pepperonis. And then I'm gonna add in some salami. Now, I love pasta in my salad, so I'm adding in some mini penne pasta. And then I'm gonna top it with my lettuce. And there we have our Italian salad. We're gonna give it a flip. And once you dump it out into your bowl, you already know. Three simple salads, all in a mason jar, and it's fun. Yum.